If you've ever wondered how to draw a straight line on Gimp without using complicated tools, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to make perfectly straight lines using just your keyboard and mouse. This is super useful for clean outlines, design work, annotations, and anytime you want precise strokes inside Gimp. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Gimp and get your image or blank canvas ready. To draw a straight line, you need to start with any painting tool from the toolbox. You can use the Paintbrush tool, the pencil tool, or even the eraser if you want to erase in a straight line. The shortcut keys can help here too. For example, Paintbrush is usually selected from the toolbox. Pencil can be chosen quickly, and eraser is also easy to find. Pick the tool that fits what you want to do. Now here's the important part. Move your mouse to the exact spot where you want the line to begin, and left-click once. Do not click and drag, just a single click to set the starting point. After that, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Once you do that, Gimp will show you a thin straight line following your mouse pointer. This line is basically your preview, so you can aim it exactly where you want. Next, move your mouse to the place where you want the line to end. You'll notice that the line stays straight as you move around. When you're happy with the direction and length, left-click once again while still holding down the Shift key. That final click stamps the line onto the canvas, and just like that, you've drawn a straight line in Gimp. If you want to keep going and draw another straight line, just repeat the same process. Click once to set the start point, hold Shift, move to the end point, and click again. Once you get used to it, it becomes really fast and easy. Now, if you want your line to be perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical, there's an even better trick. After your first click, hold down both Shift and Ctrl together. This locks the line into 15-degree increments, which makes it much easier to snap to exact directions. That means you can create a perfectly flat line at 0 degrees or a straight vertical line at 90 degrees with much more precision. This is especially useful when you're working on diagrams, layout guides, graphic elements, or any design that needs clean alignment. Instead of guessing by eye, you can rely on Gimp's built-in line snapping behavior to make things much neater. So to quickly recap, choose a painting tool, click once to set your start point, hold Shift to preview the straight line, move your mouse to the end point, and click again to place it. And if you need cleaner angle control, use Shift and Ctrl together after the first click to lock the line into 15-degree steps. That's how to draw a straight line on Gimp the easy way. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Gimp tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.